mean, that poor guy, he works as much as he can. He works, he's got 3 jobs.
Hey everybody, this is Ed Rigsby. How you doing? We're going to do another cigar review. I'm over at my friend George Pappas' house, so if this place looks a little bit different, it's because I'm not at home. So, here we go. We have a Herrera Esteli, which is Drew Estate from Nicaragua. This is a Habano wrapper. It's very Cuban-esque, and the fillers and binders, one's from Nicaragua, one's from Ecuador. So let's take the old welding torch and light this puppy up. See how it goes. Now also I can't reveal whose house I'm at because I'm at the house of a craft distiller. And this craft distiller makes his own hooch. So I want to get pissed off. Or the revenuers. So this is his still right here. This is it hot? No. So this is where he makes it. And then this kind of the view. I won't tell you what golf course we're looking out at because then you'd know where we are. Well, anyway, so let me get this thing going. Put my phone back down. My blowtorch didn't get it lit too quick first time. Got some more people coming. Whoa, there goes a flying cigar. Okay. So what am I getting the first taste? Getting a little bit of spice, a little bit of peppery.
Guys.
Hey, Joel. My buddy Joel just showed up. He came in time for the cigar review. There. So, I'm going to ask the master distiller, what's in this, master distiller?
That is a malted barley, and the only thing that differentiates that from a Scotch is that it's not made in Scotland.
Okay, so this is the master distiller here in Thousand Oaks. It's his Scotch, not made in Scotland.
So it can't be called Scotch. It could be called malted barley.
So he calls it malted barley. Well, we have a Cuban-esque style cigar, which is not a real Cuban cigar, with Scotch, with Scotch style whiskey, which is not real Scotch, because it's what's it called, malted barley. So we have 2 counterfeits, but you know something? They're both really, really good. So
is this the real Ed Rigsby or what?
I'm wearing my tie-dye shirt. Now, I won't tell you, I was in Key West wearing this tie-dye shirt, and apparently I was a little more friendly. People thought I was a different person than I was. We'll just leave it at that. So I don't wear my tie-dye shirts to Key West anymore. I learned the hard way not to do that. Go. Yeah. So if you notice, this is kind of falling apart here a little bit, which kind of aggravates me. Generally, Drew Estate, anything Drew Estate makes is a pretty good cigar.
I've got
this one's going to be a pretty powerful one. So even though it's not that dark, it's a Habano wrapper, and you're going to get a really powerful smoke. You can feel it in the back of the tongue.
I don't want to be in charge.
life is good.
So, I can't recommend you go buy this because it's not for sale, so we'll just put that off to the side. The malted barley. But I can recommend that you get the Herrera Esteli from Drew Estate. This one is the, what do they call this? The Corona? No, hold on. Let me look at the label. No, it was called the Toro Especial. So it's a special Toro. It's about somewhere in the range of about 54 rings, something like that. So anyway, have a good Friday. This is Ed from Friday Afternoon Cigars. We'll catch you next time. Now, I can find out how to turn this off. It's going to be pretty good. Oh, I let you see the master distiller. Whoops.